Meal something something 28. So you only have some buds going up. Welcome back to Chin Leisure. And today I'm doing a little random thing, no real thought involved. It's, it's springtime now. So let's just document the springtime in the city. Anything else pops in my head, I'll do it. So today I'm at Retiro. I might go into Seoul and talk about, have lunch and talk about a museum. I'm gonna do a little bit with the group. Probably won't be able to take any footage of it. I can talk about it over lunch. And then I probably am on Tuesday gonna go and, regardless of the weather, do check out Parque de Oeste and see what they've got going on. And since Barrio has announced a new nighttime show, I might just cover Casa de Campo in a next Parque de Atracciones vlog, which I wasn't think I was gonna do, but I still need to arrive Pedrinhas Volares. So it looks like Parque Retiro is adding a new playground for the 2022 season. Yeah, right now it says nope, don't pass. So yep, I'll take my word for it. Another thing has woken up yet, but we've been getting a lot of rain here the past few weeks. I think like everybody has. It's been rainy season all across our developed world. So since it's very dry in Spain in summer, so that these plants will definitely need it. I wonder what this is. There are people taking advantage of the rowboats this morning. And over there, it's not that busy. Maybe I'll go over there and take a closer look at it. If you're wondering how it feels like to be on this side of the pond here, well, here you go. They're doing exercise class back there. Probably shouldn't disturb them. Built for Alfonso XII. Bird's eye for me, but anyways, I just wanted to highlight that bridge. The brick base and the modern wood railing. Kind of interesting, a little brick retaining wall into the pond. But this I got I think it's a monument for Argentina, the freedom of the South American countries, I believe. That's kind of what I got from it. Another bird right there. And I was playing La 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 at the exercise class. Hope that I don't get demonetized for that. It's all the work they're doing. There's another area like the yellow tape around it. There's a little duck pond right here, and they have a little house there. I don't know why they have a house there, but they have a house there. I think those are swans. Nope, there's ducks. Still ducks. A pigeon there on the rock. Just want to get a closer look. That stonework right there. Okay, the sun is finally coming out. Some yellow flowers here too. I really like that rock wall over there. Also a nice new playground over here. I guess this is a chapel. There's an ambulance in the entrance in the park to the metro station, so we're gonna take the long way around. I think there was a hobo in that tunnel this morning, so I guess it might have something to do with that. That's an interesting facade. You know, I was just thinking now over lunch that I need to see Barbara at 2, so I was like, before in college, like, you know, just eat the local cafe by J Building. And then, you know what, Parque de Oeste is right. We haven't been there since episode 1, completely forgot about that. So let's just see what's going on in Parque de Oeste so far when it comes to springtime. And I'll say for Santa Maria, possibly a challenge of stopping at every single station on line 4. And then I'll just split probably one of my spring break vlogs in half, because I was thinking about that too. So it ends with even 40 episodes, 2 specials, 2 movies, counting episode 0, and the upcoming El Estío de Sultan as movies. Let's see what's up in Parque de Oeste. This goes like one of the guards from Roku's temple. Decided to come down here and take a look at the Telefraco, which is a skyride that goes into Casa de Campo. Didn't really get a look at it last time. I haven't been this close up, and probably am not as all the issues I've had in my past. But when I do come back, I probably am going to do each of the parks again once, and this. So it probably would be worth getting the gold pass again. I was trying to do all that, but would that probably be worth it? It's about €180. I also would like to do one of the tours for Chambre. Go do the Antenne Zero stuff in a future trip. Since I really wanted to do the Go Station, but well, they're booked for the rest of the year, it seems. I don't get it in that regard. Soportar tus soportes. I just stumbled on this public garden. Free entry. Looks like it closes like around sunset or so. Just no bikes, no sports, no dogs. I guess he's doing Google Street View. So it looks like a lot of the trees and plants are dedicated to Pilgrim, which is it's a very nice little, small, peaceful area in the heart of Parque de Oeste, and right behind you, okay, it's right now it's totally blocked by trees, but right behind you, there's a silent Parque de Atracciones, over in the distance. So, you know, I think I'm just gonna call it here with this springtime special vlog. But yeah, so this is really the season finale, although I pushed up because it's more timely, and I already edited and uploaded the Toledo vlog, and I was already had something down for the Zaragoza vlog. So I was like, you know, I'll call those 14, 15, I'll just do 16, but I'll just pull it up because I thought it'd be more timely. So yeah, part of the Zaragoza will be the finale. I was really thinking I was gonna be the Parque de Oeste vlog was gonna be the finale, but I deleted that when I upload all the first part of this vlog, and I did this on my phone so I can instantly upload on the drive from there. Hopefully next time I'll be picking up from the Madrid airport heading to Europa Park in Germany, and then from there I'll be spending the weekend at Europa Park doing Romantica Friday night. I'm gonna probably keep that off camera. Saturday and Sunday at Europa Park, traveling to Nancy on Monday in France. Spend the morning there in Nancy, do my laundry, have an evening train down to Lyon, spend the night in Lyon, do Oberon Alps, spend another night in Lyon, take the train to Marseille, quick layover to a bus to from Marseille to Cannes, spend 2 days in Cannes, early morning bus to Nice airport, and then a flight back to Madrid, where I'll be spending Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. Taylor's the movie first, but in terms of like the episode count, Parque de Oeste is the last numbered episode of the season. So until next time, buenas noches, buena suerte, hasta luego.